In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Instapay on the Even app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use the Instapay feature on the latest version of the Even app, so make sure that Even is up to date and running the latest version available. You can check this in the Play Store or the App Store. When you are done updating the app, open it up and sign into your account using your credentials. You will be able to go to your page and see the amount of money that you have saved up, and under the amount of money that you have for your next pay, you will be able to see the InstaPay button. It should show you the amount of InstaPays that you have left and how much is available. Click this green button at the top and you will be redirected to where you can pick the amount that you want from the InstaPay. So using the slider behind Get Your Pay Now, you will be able to set the amount that you want InstaPaid. If you need additional help, select Support at the top right corner of the screen. When you are satisfied with the amount, scroll all the way down and you will be able to agree to the terms and conditions and confirm the InstaPay. Once you select Send at the bottom of the screen, the money will be delivered instantly and your funds will be transferred. You can do this as many times as you wish as long as you have InstaPays available. I hope I was able to help you on how to use InstaPay on the Even app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.